Hello everyone, join me as I take on the challenge of starting my dream business from home today, and let's see if I can turn my ideas into reality. Starting a business from home can be a daunting task, but what if I told you it's more accessible than you think? With the rise of technology and social media, it's never been easier to turn your passion into a profitable business. You don't need a fancy office or a huge team. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn and take action. When it comes to starting a business from home, one of the biggest challenges people face is staying motivated. It can be easy to get caught up in household chores, TV shows, or social media. And before you know it, the day is gone and you've accomplished nothing. Another challenge is dealing with distractions. Whether it's kids, family members, or roommates, it can be hard to focus on your business when you're surrounded by people who need your attention. And then there's the uncertainty of where to start. With so many options and resources available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of which direction to take. Sometimes it's hard to separate work life from personal life when you work from home. You might find yourself working too much or not enough, and it can be difficult to maintain a healthy work-life balance. And let's be real, self-doubt can be a major obstacle. It's easy to wonder if you're good enough, if your business idea is stupid, or if you're just wasting your time. But despite these challenges, many people have successfully launched and grown businesses from the comfort of their own homes, and that's what I want to talk about today. One business idea that can be launched from home is online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer one-on-one coaching or consulting services to clients remotely. Another idea is affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You could also start a YouTube channel or podcast focused on a specific niche and monetize it with ads or sponsorships. And finally, you could start an e-commerce store selling physical or digital products through an online platform like Shopify or Etsy. Take Sarah, for example, who started her virtual assistant business from home just a few years ago. With no experience and a limited budget, she was able to grow her business to 6 figures in just a year. She now works with clients all over the world, offering services like email management, social media management, and data entry. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that with hard work, determination, and the right mindset, you can achieve success even from the comfort of your own home. So, starting a business from home may not be easy, but it's definitely possible. With the right mindset, the right planning, and the right support, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Remember, it's all about taking that first step and then taking it one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What business ideas do you have, or what challenges are you facing in your entrepreneurial journey? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to tune in to my next video for more tips on entrepreneurship.